Good afternoon, tutor and classmates. My name is Leonardo Sanchez, and this is an activity that pertains to the course English Conversation, whose tutor is Liliana Moreno. I'm going to start off by doing a self-introduction. As I was pointing out before, my name is Leonardo Sanchez, and I am 28 years old. This is my second semester here at UNAT, and there are some expectations I want to take in the foreseeable future. To begin with, I want to get a C2 level concerning English. Furthermore, I want to make new friends because they can give you a hand in order to land a job. And moreover, I have to say though that I'm a classical musician who studied and graduated from Javeriana in 2014. And with regard to my English background information, at the age of 13, it was the first time I decided to take an English course at the English Path Center Institute in Tunja with Jim Martinez, and it was very constructive, meaningful, as he tried to bolster my confidence. That's why I feel that I could speak in a more natural way. And inclusively, he gave me the opportunity to becoming a teacher in an English teacher of the APC last year. In 2008, I happened to take classes with a North American client teacher by the name of Christopher Jefferson. Not only he is very outstanding when it comes to clarinet, but also he's an excellent person who helped me to brush up on my English skills and my clarinet technique. I've done the TOEFL and IELTS very many times. Because of that experience, my English skills have skyrocketed. Okay, I want to be brief, so I would like to share with you some strategies in order for me to improve my English skills. First of all, I like to be subscribed to an English channel concerning anime. Anime is something that I like, especially a program by the name of Dragon Ball Super, whose character is Goku. I don't know if you remember who Goku is, but he is a savior. He's a warrior who wanted to save the earth from many problems. And this guy, Alex, who is the broadcaster, he likes to speak as to what's going to happen in Dragon Ball Super in the next episodes. He likes to be engaged in discussions with other YouTubers as to what do you think of Goku, what do you think Goku is going to do with this warrior, stuff like that. But the main point is that by virtue of listening to these programs, I try to do this process of automaticity, and it's very important. I try to repeat the intonation, the pronunciation. Furthermore, I've learned tons of phrasal verbs, idiomatical expressions as well, and it has been very constructive at all. Another thing that I would like to state is that time on task is something very remarkable. It's a force to be reckoned with. For example, if you study collocations or phrasal verbs, because if you want to do a TOEFL, they could give you points in order to get a high score because you're using formal language. And finally, this is just like a trump card. Although you don't have the chance of traveling overseas, if you study the IPA, it could give you an insight as to how to pronounce certain words. For example, I'm working on the consonant j in words like education, congratulations. If I look back, I used to do it in the wrong way, like education or congratulations. But as a result, it doesn't sound natural. And by studying the IPA, your skills when it comes to speaking are gonna go to the next level. So that's all. Thanks for your attention. It was very constructive to reflect on these kind of things. Have a good day.